If you've been wondering whether Base44 is actually worth the hype, this Base44 AI review will walk you through exactly what it does and why so many people are talking about it. Base44 is an AI-powered app builder that can turn a plain English idea into a full-stack web application in just minutes. That means instead of spending hours setting up code, databases, and login systems, you can describe what you want in a chat box and let the AI do the heavy lifting. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. Now let's get into it. The biggest thing to understand about Base44 is that it is designed for speed and simplicity. You start by typing your app idea into the prompt area, just like you would explain it to a developer. For example, you could say you want a booking app, a client dashboard, a task tracker, or a simple internal business tool. Base44 takes that prompt and generates a working prototype for you, including the structure of the app, the pages, and the core functionality. What makes this especially useful is that Base44 does not just create a pretty mockup, it also handles the technical foundation behind the scenes. That includes data storage and user logins, which are two of the biggest pain points when building apps manually. So instead of worrying about setting up authentication or connecting a database, Base44 automatically builds those pieces into the app for you. That makes it a great option for founders, solopreneurs, creators, and anyone who wants to test an idea quickly without hiring a developer right away. Once the first version of the app is generated, you are not locked into a rigid result. Base44 gives you ways to refine the design and content without starting over. You can make layout changes, adjust colors, and edit text using a visual editor. And if you prefer, you can keep chatting with the AI to request updates in natural language. So if something looks off, you do not need to regenerate the entire app from scratch. You can simply tell Base44 what to change and keep improving the project step by step. That workflow is one of the most appealing parts of the platform. It feels much more flexible than traditional app builders because you are combining AI generation with hands-on editing. The AI gets you from zero to prototype fast, and the visual tools let you polish the result until it matches your vision. For a lot of users, that means less frustration and a much shorter path from idea to real product. So who is Base44 best for? In my opinion, it is ideal for people who want to validate an app idea, build internal tools, create MVPs, or prototype a startup concept without getting stuck on the technical setup. If you are comfortable writing a clear prompt, Base44 can do a lot of the heavy work for you. It is especially helpful if your goal is to move quickly and test an idea before investing more time or money. To get the best results, be very specific in your initial prompt. Include the type of app you want, who it is for, what it should do, and what pages or features you need. The more detail you give, the better the first version will usually be. Then use the visual editor and follow-up prompts to refine the design, fix anything you do not like, and improve the app gradually. Overall, Base44 is a powerful AI app builder that makes full-stack web development much more accessible. It combines prompt-based generation, automatic back-end features, and easy visual editing into one workflow. That makes it a strong choice for quickly building prototypes and simple apps without traditional coding. If you want more AI software reviews and tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.